Hey, welcome back, backyard farmers. You have found that aquaponics guy one more time and everything aquaponimaniac. And obviously by clicking on this video, you're looking to find out how to start your seedlings in Rockwool. When I first started out, I couldn't find anything about how to do this. I want to show you the 5 easy steps. Yes, the 5 easy steps to be able to start your seeds in Rockwool to grow your seedlings. Now, without further ado, follow me over here. Come on. Hey, you made it. So here we are with everything that we have that we would need to make your seedlings start growing for your system. So we have the Rockwool here. It comes in 100 or 125 or whatever it is packages. You can buy them at your local garden store or your aquaponics stores. So you got these right here. Now, one of the things that you're going to need to do is make the area that you're going to be planting your seeds in moist. So let's get these going here. Let's cut these in into their little squares that they are. And we'll use our handy X-Acto knife. Go down the middle. Go down to one side. We have here 2 of them. And get the next 2. We're going to be planting 4 today. Okay. And we've got 4. So what you need to do is get them moist. So you place them in your cup of water here. Or, Tupperware cup of water. Whatever it is that you're going to use to make it to moist. Now just to let you know, we've got the water in here. I'll bring this a little bit closer. And we'll let those soak for a little while to get them completely and thoroughly moist or wet or whatever to be able to get these things going quickly for you and for your seedlings or your seeds to be planted and right for your seedlings. Now that we've done that, let's get them out here, and they need to dry for approximately 5 to 7 minutes or so. So they're still going to be damp, but they're not going to be sopping like they are right here. Now we got those out of the way, we're going to get everything else ready. We've got the Rockwool, the remaining Rockwool, we've got that put away, and we're going to be getting our handy little napkin here to be a place where we can have our seeds and grab them off there. Now we're going to be planting, you can see that, sweet Hungarian peppers. Fantastic. If you have any questions about these, put it in the comments below. We'll be able to answer them for you. And also, if you're wanting some, let us know and we'll be able to get those to you as quickly as possible. Now, we got these here and we're going to pour them onto a semi-damp napkin. Okay. We got those right there. We'll put those away as well. The remainder, we'll put those down there. Now, where's my trusty little, there it is. All right, so we've done the first one with the cutting of, the second with the soaking of, and now we're going to be implanting the seeds into each one of them. Now you can use a little toothpick, and I don't know if you can see that too well. You can use a toothpick, and that can be wetted where you can put the seed on it. If you can see that right there. I can get it close to the camera here. And then adjust the, so it's right there on the tip, and we can put that in there into the Rockwool. Now we've got a few of here for your own time lapse here. We've got a few of these here that we want to be able to do. Now you have space on this. You have not only that little hole in the middle, and you're not just wanting to do one unless it's a larger plant that you want to not only transplant, grow and transplant, but also if it's a smaller one like the bell peppers are going to be, when we're looking to transplant them over to the grow beds, we're going to put 4 in each one of these corners. So we want with the toothpick to make ourselves some holes. There we go. Make some holes there. Not too deep into the rock wool because we want them to come out there, but look at that. So we got those holes there. And so we use the tip of if it'll work. Okay, sometimes it doesn't work. There we go. Here we go. We're putting that in that hole there. And then we are putting that rock wool, not too patted down, but just to cover it just a little bit there. Okay, so we're going to be doing that with the rest of these. Time-lapsing wise, we'll come back to this, okay? All right, so when you've got all of them planted into the rock wool, all the seeds, see they're all gone here, then the last step is to place it into your little tray here, which I'll show you that it came with a dome, and it has a heater to be able to heat it, and then the grow lights, because we don't have direct sunlight right here indoors where we have our seedling little tray as well as our grow beds. That's it. That's all you need to know about how to plant. That's what we did with these new seedlings that are coming through. We've got about a week on them, and we'll have 2, maybe 3 weeks at tops. We'll just make sure that they're about 4 to 5 inches so they can be able to survive the transplant into the grow bed. And that is how you use rock wool to grow your seeds into seedlings. Now, if you found this to be informative for using rock wool, please give us a subscribe down below. And don't forget the little bell button for those notifications for all the resulting videos that we're going to be doing beyond just this. And if you've had experience with rock wool or not, please give us some comments about your experiences down below as well. Thank you for joining us. Join us again another time. Godspeed, God bless, and also remember, when you are prepared, you need not fear.